Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses and relays for interior lights, also known as dome lights, or Jeep Cherokee, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us guys, we'll explain where you can find these fuses and relays. And by the way, if you need to buy replacement parts to use fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that guys, all that because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos guys. Check out our YouTube channels, that's where guys you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, the interior lights, fuses, relays, also known as dome lights, fuses and relays, let's explain where you can find them. But quick advice guys, now there will be some hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video people told us save them all of money. What we need to do today, open the driver's door. And here guys, if you come on the driver's side, you see that's the headlight switch here. Let me get a closer look so you can see that. That's the headlight switch. Underneath you have that storage compartment. You open it, and if you remove it, if you pull it all the way down, behind it, you're going to have, interior fuse box that looks like this one right here. But before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, you pull the fuse. I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys, so you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Guys, now let's explain which fuse we need to check here. This is one of the hidden fuse boxes, by the way. You see, that's why we made that video we told you about. But if you come in this row of fuses, that's fuse, they don't make any sense. For instance, that's fuse 36, that's fuse 32. Fuse 32 is the one that we need to check, guys. That 10 amp fuse, that's the one for interior lights, also known as dome lights. What about a relay? You don't have a relay. The relay function is controlled by the body control module, the BCM. So you only have that fuse, that's known as a relay fuse. That's the only thing you need to check. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.